Hello my darlings and welcome. Today I want to talk about the many ways you can use moon water. Let's do some magical crafting. Many witches don't make moon water because they're unsure of how to make it or use it, what days it can be made, or what to do with it once they've made it. But it's really very simple. To make moon water, place a clean, covered jar or pitcher of water outside at night to soak up the moonlight. That's it. You've just made moon water. You don't need to wait for the full moon to make moon water. If you've missed the full moon, you can still make moon water any day of the month. The new moon and the full moon are the most dynamic, and so witches often use those days to make their moon water. I consider the 3 nights around the full moon and the 3 nights around the new moon as the full and new moon periods. My personal practice may not be as precise as others prefer to be. Waxing and waning moon water is wonderful to make as well. You can make moon water anytime. Waning moons occur during the time between the full moon and the new moon, when the light is diminishing. Moon water created during waning moons is perfect for releasing that which no longer serves you. Use this moon water in rituals and magic workings regarding things you want to let go of in your life. Waxing moons occur during the time between the new moon and the full moon, when the light is increasing. Water made during waxing moons is perfect for creating, growing, and planning. Use this moon water in rituals and workings regarding things you want to increase in your life or put into action. These are basic guidelines, but don't overthink the moon phases unless you want to. Make moon water anytime and use it for any purpose that you like. It will add a bit of magical energy to your day. You may wish to leave a glass of water on the windowsill to soak up moonlight every night and use it daily. Or you may wish to make a jar of moon water monthly and use it only for special rituals or magical workings. Do what resonates with you. Here are 12 broad categories and lots of specific examples of how to use moon water. The first category is magic and ritual. Moon water is perfect to represent the element of water on your altar. Pour it in a bowl or chalice and place it in the direction that symbolizes water for you. You can use this to call the quarters or just to represent the element. Use moon water as a libation or offering. Moon water can be the perfect offering for many deities. Put moon water in a bowl, add flowers or any other offerings a specific deity would like. Next, present it to your deity with a few words or a prayer. Keep a jar of moon water on your altar to enhance your rituals. You can mix a little in with your inks when writing spells to increase their power, or anoint your pen or pencil or paintbrush, whatever tools you're using to write in your grimoire. If you dye eggs to celebrate Ostara, you can use moon water along with your dye and some vinegar to dye them. The second category is cleansing and charging, anointing, and activating. Use moon water to cleanse and charge your altar or ritual tools. To consecrate or recharge your tools with moon water, wet your finger in the water and then draw a pentacle, a magic symbol, or a sigil on your tool. You can cleanse many crystals by immersing them in moon water. However, be warned that some crystals will be harmed by or are dangerous to put in water. I have a separate video about that topic and I'll link to it below. Crystals cleansed under the moon or in moon water become infused with the deep lunar magic of intuition, dreams, and mystery. You can also charge your gemstones and crystals in moonlight or moon water. You may wish to set your intention and purpose when you charge them. You can use moon water to activate your sigils. Water represents fluidity, flexibility, change, adaptability, and intuition. It can be appropriate to use water to charge or activate a sigil relating to those concepts. Water also represents rebirth, renewal, and cleansing, and has correspondences with mental health, emotions, dreams, beauty, and healing. Sigils about any of these issues are very appropriate to be activated with moon water. You could draw the sigil on something soluble and dissolve it in moon water. Or draw the sigil on a rock and place it in a bowl and pour moon water over it. You could draw it on yourself and then use moon water to wash it away. Or draw a sigil in chalk and wash it away with moon water. You may wish to anoint your money with moon water to invoke wealth. Many people relate money to the element of water, seeing it as something that flows like water, like the tides flowing in and out, ruled by the moon. If you choose to anoint your money with moon water, as you do so, envision exactly what you want. Imagine possibility and abundance. The wealth flowing towards you like a wave. The third category is home purification and cleansing. Add some peppermint essential oil to your moon water and wipe down doors and windows with this solution. Not only does it keep out negative energy, but bugs as well. You can also add basil or basil essential oil to your moon water and use it as a money-drawing floor wash. You can use the cleansing properties of the moon water in a purifying spray. Add some essential oils or baking soda, and you can use it to clean your home and raise the magical vibrations in your house. My favorite way to add moon water magic to my home is to put it in a humidifier or an essential oil diffuser. The fourth category is beauty and glamour. To highlight your natural beauty, use moon water to wash your face in the morning. Or use it for shaving. Or you may wish to put moon water in a misting bottle and create a face mist. Based on your personal preference and allergies, you could add herbs or a drop of essential oil to the water. Then put it in the refrigerator. It feels so refreshing to put on your face during the hot summer months. You could also mix a few drops of moon water into beauty products such as face masks, shampoos, conditioners, and moisturizers. If you wear makeup, you could use moon water to clean your makeup brushes. You know that they need it. For magically shiny hair, add apple cider vinegar to your moon water and use it as a hair rinse. The fifth category is self-care. I know that a lot of the suggestions in other categories can also be considered self-care, but here are a few more ideas. You may wish to add moon water to your bath. Charge your body with moon magic and raise the vibrations of the water surrounding you. Or create a foot bath. Mix moon water with Epsom salt and herbs to create a magical foot soak, or soak your hands for a self-manicure or pedicure. If you use moon water to clean your glasses, you may see the world in a more magical way. If you like to add beauty to your home with bouquets of greenery or flowers, you may wish to place them in a vase filled with moon water. The sixth category is to boost psychic abilities. Moon water is also associated with intuition, emotions, and psychic abilities, and you can use it to enhance your psychic abilities. If you wish to do so, dip one finger in moon water and draw a crescent moon on your third eye chakra between your eyebrows. Sit comfortably and meditate for a few minutes while concentrating on the spot between your eyebrows. This is a practice that provides the most benefit if it's done regularly and even on a daily basis. The seventh category is creativity. Dab moon water onto your vision board to help amplify your intentions. Clean your work or creative space with moon water to help keep it free of negative energy and keep your creative energy high. I love to use moon water for watercolor painting or to clean my paintbrushes. If you're a sculptor or potter, you can also use moon water to moisten your clay and add some magic to each piece you make. The 8th category is cooking. I consider cooking to be another form of creativity and art. My favorite way to use moon water in cooking is to make stew. I call it moon water stew. It's always a magical feast when you slow cook your veggies and meat in moon water and seasonings. You may wish to add moon water to a ritual meal or dish. Use moon water in the recipe, or wash your fruit or veggies with the magical water, and the end product will be charged with moon magic. The 9th category is for drinking. Probably the most popular way to use moon water is for drinking. Make your morning tea or coffee a little more magical with moon water, or drink it straight before a stressful day or starting a new project. You could use moon water to make iced tea, lemonade, or other brewed or blended beverages. And you may wish to use moon water to make ice cubes, and that's a good way to add magic to any cold beverage. Consider starting a morning or evening ritual by using moon water to take daily medications or vitamins. Or add a bit of moon water to a smoothie to help you set your intentions and start your day. And don't forget your fur babies. You can also add moon water to your pet's water bowls. The 10th category is love spells. Water is the element of emotion, so it's perfect for use in love spells. I like to float a pink or red candle in a bowl of moon water and light it during self-love rituals or love spells. You can make rose water with rose petals and moon water. This makes a lovely toning face wash that brings love. Rose water uses the attraction power of roses and the charging power of moon water. You may wish to use moon water to anoint a love charm or amulet, use in a love potion, or a beauty or glamour spell. The 11th category is for scrying or divination. You can use moon water to empower a session of water scrying. Scrying is a method of divination wherein you gaze into a darkened mirror. You can use your moon water to clean or cleanse your mirror. Or do water scrying with your moon water. Pour the water into a dark or black bowl if you have one. Or mix moon water with a few drops of black ink and pour it in a small bowl. The 12th and final category is plants. Use moon water to water your houseplants. Or put it in a mister to water your succulents or terrarium. Waxing or full moon water is great to spray any seedlings you may have started. You can use moon water to start seedlings and cuttings or propagate vegetables from stalks or seeds. I hope this video has given you some ideas on how to use moon water. If you made it all the way to the end of the video, let me know in the comments how you intend to use yours.